Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, February 6th, 2024. Let's take a look at the Ethereum to Bitcoin at the daily time frame chart on Zondacrypto. So what do we see? Here is a daily candlesticks, and we got this movements to the upside marked on the chart together with this trend line and two moving averages, 100 and 200 simple moving average. So what is going on this chart? Let's just start with this high 0.085. we got a impulsive decline, then we have 21% correction. Okay, then we go lower, then we have 27% correction, then we go down again, we have 20% correction. All right, and then we go even lower, and then we go even lower below the technical support at 0.05. The swing low was made at 0.0 this is 46. There you go. And then we got another bounce to the upside, 32%. Now, why this last one is particularly interesting is because it is the biggest one in the series of the bounces to the upside during this down move here. All right, so it's 32%. Now, this bounce sustained the breakout above the orange trend line, right, and sustained the breakout above 102 200 periods moving average with a local high located at 0.054. No, 0.0 this is 60, something like, let me just zoom in, 0.060. yes, that's correct. So we got this upward movement. Nevertheless, despite the fact that we got the local high and we have the overbalance of price and time, which basically means that this movement to the downside is the major one. All of the bounces to the upside are corrections, but this movement here, because it's the biggest one, is no longer a part of this downward movement, this downtrend, let's say. Okay, so we got the attempt to rally, but then we returned lower. The local lows were made around the level of 0.053, which is roughly around the 50% of the Fibonacci retracement. Let's just take a look at this. You will be able to see that there is something like a 50% of the retracement of the last nice rally. So there you go. There's a 50% Fibonacci retracement, which means that it's a perfect level for the bulls to try to resume the uptrend. All right, which means Ethereum will be gaining, Bitcoin will be losing. Right, that's the overall plan. Nevertheless, we cannot move lower. We cannot move below the 61% of the Fibonacci retracement from the technical point of view, of course, which is located at 0.051. Okay, so if we move below this level, like which is somewhere around here, right? If we move below this level, then this movement to the upside might be considered as a slightly fake, basically, right? But because it's so impulsive, because it's so strong, because it has 32%, which is the biggest one in the series of the bounces, there is no reason why we shouldn't treat it as the potential beginning of the new nice trend to the upside. Okay, so please keep an eye on the Ether to the Bitcoin daily time frame chart, especially if we start again to move higher. Then consider to keep an eye on the highs of 0.060 and then eventually 0.064, and that's then the next highs at 0.070. All right, what we need to do is, after this consolidation around 100 periods moving average, we need to, as a bulls, we need to break back above this orange trend line, back above the 200 periods moving average, challenge the high and move higher. This is the scenario for the Ether to Bitcoin, as long as the 61% of the Fibonacci retracement is not clearly violated. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.